From trash to treasure, social enterprise, the Plastic Flamingo, hopes to reduce plastic pollution by turning plastic waste into sustainable construction materials and upcycled products. Joining us now here on New Day to tell us more is Beatrice Chan. She's the Communications and Marketing Associate of the Plastic Flamingo. Good morning, Bea, and thanks for joining us. Let's talk about plastic pollution in the country. How serious is it? We have the dubious honor of being one of the top polluters, don't we?
Yes, it is quite an honor to be one of the top polluters in the world. One of the biggest problems that we have in this country is a lot of us really rely on sachets when we're looking to getting certain ingredients, goods, or things that we need in the household. I myself, I observe that there's a lot of sachets that we use here at home. And right now with with the pandemic ongoing, there's a lot of takeout, there's a lot of medical waste, and a lot of online shopping parcels. And because of all those things put together, there's this big plastic problem that existed before and continues to exist right now in the country.
There is a solution. At Plastic Flamingo, you call yourselves the plastic recyclers. Tell us a little bit more about the process from collecting tons of plastic waste to shredding them and then forming them into something that is actually useful. I mean, the problem with plastic is that it stays around forever. And I think building materials that stay around forever sounds like a possible solution.
I agree, and that's one of the main reasons why we chose to upcycle these products into construction materials, because as you mentioned, they stay around forever. And so what we do here at the PLAF is we collect plastic from our partners, from our collection points and plastic drop-off points, and the plastic that we collect from these points, we bring them to our warehouse. We shred this plastic, we make them undergo certain processes and certain recycling technology. So we are able to form three kinds of products from these plastics that we collect. So we have eco lumbers, eco boards, and pellets.
Right.
And all those three things can be used by people in their construction and design products, and also in creating recycled plastic on their own end.
All right, it sounds like such a a palm to forehead moment. Plastic, there's an overabundance of it. It's a problem. Why don't we take that and make it something useful? Surely, you've already touched on it, or we've already touched on it. Plastic. The problem with plastic is it's so durable. It stays around forever. What are some of the other advantages, obviously, of using this material that is a problem and using it as a solution?
One of the good things about having plastic-made construction materials is it's rust-proof, it's waterproof, it's very durable. A lot of its tensile strength, a lot of its technical aspects are very comparable to actual wood. And another really important thing is that it's 100% made out of recycled plastic, and we don't use any aggregates or anything. And you know that this thing that you have here is really made from a problem that exists a lot in our society. And another good thing about this products that we have is, again, it lasts for a very long time. There's very low maintenance that entails having these products in your household.
All right, well, it's such an elegant and simple solution to a huge problem that we have. A lot of people are going to be interested. We're flashing the details on screen for people who are interested in looking into this material. And it's such an awesome solution, like I said. Thank you so much for joining us this morning again. That was Beatrice Chan from the Plastic Flamingo.